Hey guys, this is LG refrigerator. I'm trying to replace air filter for it. Like, it's been 6 months. This is a new one. So, new refrigerator. So, I was having, trouble figuring out how to open it up. So, if you pull it, it won't come. If you slide it, it won't come. Then I realized it has an anti-clockwise open button there. So, you just have to press here and then twist it in the anti-clockwise. That's it. Then you just lift it up a little bit and then pull it out. Then what you see here is a air filter. So it has 4 hooks on it like this. You can literally open it by putting little pressure. So just press like this and open it up. Lift it with your fingers. So once you change the air filter, you do the same thing. So you put it a little bit angle like this, align it, and then once it is aligned, just twist it in the clockwise.